Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see about calendar view, that how to display employee attendance into calendar view. So let's see about that how to work. You can see here our module Dev Attendance Calendar View. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to attendance and see here this calendar view. You can easily see here day-wise, week, month and year. So display here total 2 employees attendance. Now click on. So display this attendance is admin. Now select week. So display week wise, display month wise and year wise. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.